Oh.
Didn't I have a look in Brett's bag?
Yeah. These are special bags, aren't they?
Somewhat.
So they look familiar. So these are Rubik's transmitter bags, but they've been enhanced. And what's different about them is mainly on the inside.
There's 3. All good bags are different on the inside.
So 3 different combinations.
3 different combinations. In the bag, what we have here. Because a bag can be more than just for a transmitter bag.
That's right.
Right?
And this one, it's full of oils.
Look at it.
Oh, can't see anything. Oh.
Oils. Rubik's bag, oils. Have a look at that page. So you've got everything in here from 250.
Yeah.
Now these are 9steps, the finest silicone oils available.
Yep.
We had them made up. So from 250 all the way, every increment up to 700, which will be this one over here. So we've got 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. You get the idea.
Yeah.
All the way to 700. So you get 10 shock oils.
Yes.
That's all shock oils.
Yeah.
So you can tune for any track. And then we start over here with 2,000 weight diff oil. 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 diff oil.
Yep.
And then we've got probably a bit of, what have I got here? A bit of
10,000?
7,000 and 10,000.
Yep.
And that's not the full range. This is a hand-picked selection to get you started.
So you've got the dividers.
Yep.
And it's all in this nice little, that's what keeps it all safe.
That's right, your oil bag.
And then you just open it up and they're all.
That's right. And you can put
Right,
other
yeah,
things in
your
here like
fingertips.
your kicker,
Yeah.
or even more oils or some greases, whatever.
Yeah, that's right. Greases, your bearing oil, that sort
Yeah,
of stuff.
that's right. Or you can put more shock oils in there. And you can mix and match to suit, obviously. So we've still got 2, 3, we've still got 5 holes empty, right?
Yeah. Do you think those really skinny cans of soft drink will fit in there?
I don't know.
Well, Boss coffees.
Boss. That's a lot of coffee. That is the NSFL Ultimate oil set.
So that's the ultimate set.
That's the ultimate set.
Yeah.
We're so happy with this. We've actually sent one over, can we say?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
What's the other things you got?
All right. We won't say then. You just shut me down.
What's this one?
This one, smaller one. So these are an amazing price. They're all amazing value price. These are 5 oils in there.
Yeah.
And these are your starter packs, pretty much. So there's the ultimate set.
Yeah.
Then there's an on-road set and an off-road set.
Yes.
Now the on-road set, these both have 5 oils in them. Which one have I got here?
So this would be the on-road.
No, that's the off-road one.
Oh, from 250. Yeah.
So you've got
So
250, 300,
up to 450.
350, 400, 450.
Off-road?
So that's your off-road one. Designed for, I suppose, for 1/10 off-road racing. That's what you would need with a ball diff. So you don't need thousands of weight and CSTs. Where this one here, the on-road set, does in fact have, so it starts off with your heavier oils. So it's got 400, 450, 500 weight oil, which is a really good window for your oils. And then for the differentials in your, this is designed at 10 scale touring car, you've got 3,000, which is really good and very typical of a 21.5 diff. And then 5,000, which is very good and typical of a 13.5. And there are plenty more oils available, but it's a great starting point and a great little kit. So we've got the 15 pack in the ultimate, and then you've got the 5 packs in the on-road and the off-road.
Yeah.
And they're a fantastic price.
Yeah, really good value when you buy them together like this.
A great way to start off or extend to your kit. And it just goes in your hauler, you know what I mean? And then on your pit bench.
Yes.
And you don't have to worry about it making a mess or whatever. They all seal really well.
But and if you've got a bunch of these and you can't remember which one's which, you can label them.
Yeah, put your label in there.
Yeah.
Which is something I probably should have done.
Just slides in there.
Put your sticker, put your face in there. Everybody knows it's you.
Well, stick your face in it.
Yeah. No, like your passport photo.
Oh, is that what you mean?
Yeah. There you go. So that is the new 9steps oil packs.
Yes.
Yeah, oil packs in the Rubik's Well bag. Fantastic.
Very nice.